today mga palangga, 10:20 na dito ng umaga. And nagluluto tayo ng kanin kasi nagugutom ako and nagre-review ako at hindi talaga siya pumapasok sa utak ko kasi gutom. Dapat, pag nagre-review ka, busog ka. Mas madaling mag-review pag busog ka kasi pumapasok sa utak. Oh, I don't know. So, sana lang yung exam natin hindi mahirap. Ah, nako. Tomorrow na siya. So, yung ulam natin is meron tayong leftover beef stew from last night. And magigisa din tayo ng green beans. So, after nito, itong exam na to, it will be a while again na magkaroon ako ng exam kasi ito na yung last unit ko for this subject. So, which is good. Pero hopefully lang talaga. Hopefully. Maayos yung grade ko. But at least naman, no, kung hindi ko man, wag naman sana, kung hindi ko man makuha yung grade na gusto kong i-achieve, at least nag-try ako, at least trinay ko na to work towards my goal. Pero kung hindi mo kaya, then hindi kakayanin. Pero I'm not giving up hope. Naniniwala ako sa sarili ko, and that's a good start for reaching your goal. Pero yun na nga, mahirap talaga. They're ready mga palangga. So, ito na sila. Nakita nyo naman yung green beans and yung leftover na beef stew and rice. So, kain muna ako.
Right guys, this is the moment of truth. I've now put fuel into the tank. I've filled the engine full of oil. And I've just sort of checked everything round. I've sort of semi-set the ignition timing, so hopefully it should start, but we don't know yet until we turn the key. I've not got a choke cable on, so I'll just put the thing in here just to so the choke's on, because I need it to for when they're cold. And let's see whether it will start. It might start straight away or it may not start at all. So here goes. Hold on to your ear.
Oh, something. What are you doing now, since it's not starting?
Extra battery on just to give it a bit more power to start.
Right, okay. So, at the moment it's not starting. We're filled.
Could be the car batteries you see. Just do it.
Try again. No, it's not starting. Try again. Don't give up. Have you checked everything? See if you've connected.
Yeah, so everything is connected. I do know.
Try again, never give up. Starting. Start siya mga loves. Are you pressing something?
Yes.
Try again. Oh. Well, at least it started. That's it. Oh. Oh, it's very smelly, sweetheart. So ito, pinipresto dito ni Mr. yung gas. You want me to hold that for you? What are you doing? Ay?
Hey? It runs anyway, doesn't it?
Why? It's very smelly.
It's fumes, petrol, isn't it?
Very smelly. But are you happy that you managed to start it?
Yeah, well, I need to get some water in it now, get the radiation stuff in, and then well, I need to put some oil in that, make sure that's not leaking before I put the radiator in. And then,
So where we are now, are we almost finished? 70% finished or
I think it's 65.
65?
Yeah, well, this is all mechanical done now anyway, so it's quite a relief to hear the engine running, you see. So,
Yeah. It gives me headache, that smell.
yeah, it's door opening actually. I'll just...
Right, okay, so that's the update. So finally, the Range Rover, 1972 Range Rover is starting.
His heart's beating again.
The heart is beating. Bye! Nakaka-proud. I'm so proud of Mr. kasi finally, umandar na yung sasakyan. There's still plenty of things to do. I don't really understand what he's doing, but the cosmetic wise, it's almost finished. Yung mga seats, sinid na niya somewhere to be repaired. And then, yeah, yun na. Malapit na tayong matapos sa project ni Mr. 65%.
The next day.
Sa wakas, it's all done. Nabunutan ako ng tinik. Tapos na yung exam ko. I'm not that confident. Pero, well, what will be, will be. Ginawa ko yung best ko. But, anyway. John, are you ready?
What?
You need to explain what you got in there.
Well, it's winter stroke spring jacket. You play pigeon shooting. So when it's a bit cold.
You're against the light, sweetheart, for some reason. What is it? Oh, you got the message, huh?
Oh. It's your hands. It's in your hands to stop the spread.
Oh, the virus. You go here and I'll film here. There.
So just to keep the wind off. It is actually waterproof as well. Supposedly.
Way.
Where's the opening? Just in case we have to send it back. I did try one on.
You need to be careful. It's a bit wet on the other side.
Plastic. I did try one on at traction. And it was okay.
Can I feel? Ah, it's a light material.
Soft shell.
Yeah, you can wear that for walking, not just clay pigeon shooting.
It's just what it lines, you see. Got an interior.
There's a pocket inside.
Tickets. Written. That's it. That's probably can't have used it.
Yeah, it looks good. It's not really showing the real color because in the camera itself it's just looking brown.
Oh,
This is
good.
more browner,
Yeah.
but this is brown on the
Oh,
camera.
oh, yeah. Is that better?
Still brown, but
I know.
it is actually
Green.
green. Yeah, it makes, yeah, just weird.
Isn't it?
You go here, sweetheart, please. You're against the light now.
Got a present, look.
Oh, what is it?
What?
Button?
Oh, what's in it?
Open it.
Opening very well.
What is
A
that?
little bit, I don't know.
It's a sweet. It's very fancy sweet. Ah. Ah, it's a button. Keep it. It's a button.
Beauty.
Yeah, so this is it. That's
So
the
where's-
jacket.
Where's the button at? No?
Just in, I don't know. What's a button for? Yeah, that's a good question.
Is there anything on the collar?
Yeah, there's in the back to adjust it.
Oh, right. Okay.
Mm.
So that's what we just done.
Mm.
Okay.
I think you need to stand here, sweetheart, so that they can see. Yeah, it looks brown. Smile. It looks brown,
It does, doesn't it?
isn't it?
Weird that, isn't it?
Yeah.
How does it look like it?
It's ready.
Have you done one part of your thing? Have you done one part, eh?
No, I haven't done anything
Not
at
really,
all.
is it?
Come here. They want to see you.
Not actually now, is it?
You're busy.
I'm preparing everything.
You're preparing everything.
Get your plate. How's your plate?
Nagustuhan ko yung breaded cod, kaya ayon, dalawa yung niluto
breaded
ko.
cod.
Yeah, that's a homemade. Homemade from Tesco.
Bought it yesterday.
Oh
We hooked
dear.
the box.
And meron na tayong juice dito, orange juice and cranberry juice. So, yun lang. Sobrang simple. Walang ganap ngayon.
Somebody told me whether it's true. Somebody told me whether it's true or not that cranberry is good for guys because it supposedly helps against prostate cancer.
Prostate cancer.
Whether it's because it's got something, whether it's true or not, I don't know. But they say it's supposedly good for you.
So,
This is why I'm young and virile. Isn't it?
so are the guys needs to drink a cranberry juice then?
Hot to trot. Yeah. How many of these do you want?
That's it. It's getting darker. Yan. Magta-top up grocery lang kami mga palangga kasi wala na tayong... Ano ba yung ita-top up namin? Kailangan natin ng milk. Kailangan natin ng butter. Ano pa ba? Marami namang pagkain dito, pero hindi pa namin ginagamit yung mga grocery natin galing sa Asda, yung mga canned goods, mga pasta. Hindi talaga kami nagre-rely diyan. Hindi pa namin sila ginagamit kasi yun nga, hindi pa namin alam kung kailan matatapos tong problema sa ating mundo. So, at the moment, we're avoiding to use our supply. Marami tayong bread. Ewan ko kung ano. Yan lang siguro, milk at butter. Marami din naman tayong toilet roll. Tinawagan din namin si Benan kanina kung meron ba siyang kailangang ipag-grocery namin kasi yun nga, pupunta kami sa Tesco at Aldi. Sabi niya wala. She's fine kasi yung ate ni Jan, binilhan siya ng mga grocery. So, wala. So, sabi namin kay Benan na mag-ingat talaga, maghugas ng kamay. So, naghihintay na lang ako kay Mr. Sinira niya yung workshop. So, anyway mga palangga, update sa pag-uwi ko sa Pilipinas. I don't think so na makakauwi ako this year sa Pilipinas. It's sad to say na hindi ako makakauwi kasi sobrang excited ko pa naman na umuwi kasi 4 years din hindi pa ako nakauwi sa Pilipinas. And well, wala na tayong magagawa kasi alam niyo naman kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa mundo. May pakalat-kalat na sakit. Alam niyo na kung ano yung sakit na binabanggit ko. Hindi ko na babanggitin yung name kasi sabi nila nakaka-demonetize daw yun ng video. So, anyway, mag-pray na lang talaga tayo. And mas nakakalungkot kasi may mga namamatay, naapektuhan talaga sila sa sakit. So, ipag-pray na lang natin yung isa't isa.
Yeah.
What is your thoughts, honey, that, you know, if this year we cannot go to Philippines?
It's very disappointing. What do you mean if we can't? We can't go. There's a travel ban, basically, going out of the UK. And there's a ban receiving foreigners into the Philippines. Plus...
no, I mean, what is your, like, are you disappointed?
Well, I was looking forward to having a rest because we didn't go on holiday last year, did we?
No, we just stayed in UK last year.
Yeah, so, you know, I just really want to go and chill out for that period of time. But unfortunately, this is all unforeseen. And nothing we can do about it.
Yeah.
Let's just hope we don't lose too much financial side of it, you know.
Pack your bags, I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me.
Ang daming mga bulaklak, mga loves para sa Mother's Day. Papakita ko sa inyo, ha? So, dito, from here, yan. Ang gaganda ng bulaklak. I'm in love with this. Ang ganda niya. And meron din doon, oh. Andoon din. That's a nice one. That's very nice, huh? What are we getting for her? It's gonna get her plants? Huh? We're not giving her an orchids this time because her orchid is just dying. So let's try different plants. Let's say we'll give that begonia. What do you think?
Could do, sure.
Yeah. Yeah, there's plenty of begonia here. Yeah. Gaganda, uy. Yeah, we'll get this for her. Yan. Looks good. We have the card.
You want some more banana?
Yeah, banana. More banana.
No, I don't want them. They're rubbish.
They're bad bananas.
That's very good. Good.
Iniwan na kami ng trolley namin. No break. Here. Na? Tingnan nyo yung mga ano nila dito, mga tray oh, sa mga vegetable. Walang laman. Tinurn over nila kasi wala na. No milk. We're just gonna use the Coffee Mate. It's empty.
Got plenty of rice anyway, so we don't need it.
Well, we got plenty of rice. So, there's nothing to be worried. Ito na lang yung natira. Ano na ang nangyayari sa world? Bahay na kami. So, we managed to get milk in Aldi. Ito, dalawa. Kung walang milk sa Tesco, yung Aldi, they have a lot of milk. So, kukunti lang yung binili namin. Pastis, banana, gamon, orange, potato, then butter, gum, her jelly mister, mouthwash, and lastly is yung melon. Ito. Yan. So, yan lang yung pinamili namin. And ito na rin yung vlog natin for today. Pasensya na talaga. Walang ganap. But nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo sa walang sawang suporta. So, see you in my next vlog. Bye. Bye, John.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care. Ingat po kayo lahat.